New Year's Eve, and so I'm going to make some guacamole to take over to my friends. Let's do it. Chop up about a quarter of a purple onion, then chop up about 2 tomatoes, and then you're going to chop up about 2 cloves of garlic. I use my avocado tool, and I do about 2 to 4 avocados depending on how they look inside and how much of them you're able to use. You can't go without the cilantro. I must have that, so chop that up too. And then I use Kick It Up seasoning lately. You can also use other seasoning from your cabinet, but I found this at a craft fair and it is amazing and it adds a lot of flavor. You're going to want to add some salt and pepper and also some lime juice. And sometimes you might have to add extra salt too, because sometimes it's just not quite enough. I also like to add jalapeno, but one of my friends doesn't like spicy food, so we leave out the jalapenos and it's still just as good. I have this really awesome bowl that keeps the guacamole from turning colors, and you just pop the lid on and press it down.